Here's how we foam rolled calves. Okay, start with one leg on the roller. I'll show you a couple ways to do this. Okay, one leg on the roller, cross the other leg on top, and then you'll lift your hips up off the ground and apply pressure on the calves. When we're foam rolling, we want to try to get the whole cross section of the muscle. So I'm starting the outside of my calves, and then slowly I'll rotate my foot more inward, and I'll get more of the inner calves. Okay? I'm also only working on the lower part of my calves right now. I can adjust this roller and get the upper part of my calves. Okay? Slowly work our way in. Okay, I'm going to whip through this real quick. You should probably spend a little more time than that. So that's one way to do it. If you have a hard time lifting your hips up off the ground and foam rolling for this amount of time, then put this foot on the ground and you can use that foot for support. Okay, the more pressure you can apply, the better. Okay, that's calf foam rolling.